When you're trying to lose weight, breakfast can set the tone for the rest of your day. Consuming the wrong foods can amplify your cravings and set you up for failure before the day even begins. On the other hand, filling up on the right foods can curb cravings and keep you feeling full until lunchtime to minimize snacking and ease weight loss. Here are some healthy breakfast foods that can help you lose weight. 1. Wheat germ. It is a component of the wheat kernel that contains a concentrated amount of vitamins and minerals, including manganese, thiamine and selenium. It's also high in fiber, boasting nearly 4 grams of fiber in each 1 ounce, 28-gram, serving. 2. Bananas. High in fiber but low in calories, bananas are a great alternative to sugary breakfast cereals to satisfy your sweet tooth first thing in the morning. 1 medium banana has just over 100 calories yet packs 3 grams of dietary fiber, knocking out up to 12% of your daily fiber needs in one shot. Fiber helps slow the emptying of your stomach to curb cravings and keep you feeling fuller longer. 3. Smoothies. Not only are smoothies a quick and easy way to obtain a concentrated dose of nutrients, they also double as a convenient breakfast item that can accelerate weight loss. Since you can customize your ingredients, you can tailor your drink to fit your personal preferences. Filling your smoothies with veggies and low-calorie fruits can boost fiber intake to help you feel fuller longer. Throw in some high-protein ingredients like nuts, seeds or protein powder to promote feelings of fullness and fight off cravings. 4. Berries. Berry varieties such as strawberries, blueberries, blackberries and raspberries are all incredibly nutrient-dense, meaning they're low in calories but packed with essential nutrients. In addition to providing many important vitamins and minerals, berries are rich in fiber, which may reduce hunger and food intake. In fact, one study in 12 women found that swapping a high-sugar afternoon snack for a serving of mixed berries reduced calorie intake later in the day by an average of 133 calories. 5. Grapefruits. They are a popular component of many diets and weight loss programs, and for good reason. Besides being low in calories, grapefruits have a high water and fiber content, both of which can be beneficial for weight loss. 6. Coffee. Some studies have found that your morning cup of joe could bring big weight loss benefits. Because of its caffeine content, coffee may aid weight loss by boosting metabolism and fat burning. 7. Kiwis. High in vitamin C, vitamin K and potassium, kiwis offer an impressive nutrient profile. They're also an excellent source of fiber. Just 1 cup, 177 grams, provides up to 21% of your daily needs. 8. Green tea. Take a look at the ingredients in almost any diet pill or fat-burning supplement and there's a good chance you'll spot green tea. Green tea has been studied extensively for its metabolism and fat-burning capacities. 9. Chia seeds. Tiny but powerful, chia seeds are an excellent breakfast supplement. They're high in fiber and can absorb water to form a gel, which expands in your stomach to help keep you feeling fuller longer. They're also rich in protein, which can slow the emptying of your stomach and reduce levels of ghrelin, the hormone responsible for stimulating hunger. 10. Oatmeal. It is a healthy and delicious breakfast option, especially if you're looking to lose weight. Oats are low in calories but high in fiber and protein, 2 nutrients that impact appetite and weight control. In particular, oats are an excellent source of beta-glucan, a type of fiber shown to impact everything from immune function to heart health. 11. Flax seeds. They are loaded with viscous fiber, a type of soluble fiber that absorbs water to form a gel in your gut. 12. Nuts. They provide the perfect balance of fiber, protein and heart-healthy fats, making them a worthy addition to any breakfast. Starting your day on the right foot and with the right food can make a world of difference when it comes to weight loss. Eating healthy breakfast foods can make it easier to curb cravings and stick to your weight loss goals. Keep in mind that following a weight loss diet doesn't just end with a healthy breakfast. Be sure to fill your diet with nutritious whole foods throughout the day to optimize your health and help lose weight quickly.